shit. I hate how they even make fireworks like that. It's like, really?
This one's gonna go for a minute.
Like, why even bother with fireworks that look like that? Like, I like the big ones. Big
Thank you though, dude.
Probably. Fuck!
Shit! I hope you don't do that again, dude. If that thing falls over, I'm glad I did not just throw that. Because I was gonna throw that on the ground.
I wasn't expecting it to do that
Be careful.
at all.
That one could fall over though.
It probably will.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I just broke something.
Oh, okay, hell yeah. This one's about to shoot out again.
Wait,
Like that other one.
Shit.
What the fuck? We are way. Oh, dude. That's tight.
Oh,
This thing's so tight. This is supposed to do something, dude.
that's like the perfect motion.
Yeah.
Oh, this shit falling, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a parachute. No, that thing's gonna spin around, bro. No, that was a parachute right there.
I'm fixing to pick it up.
Steven, why did you do that, dude? No, it just does this. It spins.
No, it don't.
And it goes off in the air and shit.
In the water.
Do they have these better ones that go
Where's the
way?
parachute go? I got it.
Smoke bomb shit.
Dude, wait till the smoke bomb's lit and then set it out by the water.
I got the parachute.
Like the sparkler.
Look,
Dude, it was a parachute.
grab the top part. Look,
Look, Jay.
it's a parachute. It's a parachute. I don't know where the other one went.
Jeremiah, look.
It's the motor.
Yeah, I'm on.
Jumping with you.